Which of these homemade recipes would you crown the champ? Let's rank today's best eats. Beefy Cheese Bomb Pie. Dice onions, sauté with beef patty, splash soy sauce and oyster sauce, wrap it all in flaky pie crust with melty cheese, then bake till golden. Firecracker Pork Twister. Crispy pork belly, fried with garlic-soy, tossed in spicy plum-drenched green onion, sweet spicy, crunchy madness. Truffle Melt Toast, buttery fried toast, black truffle mayo, juicy beef patty, sautéed onions, double cheese melt, pure luxury vibes. Which one are you trying first? Tell me below.